are the cell wall inhibitors. They inhibit synthesis of cell wall of the bacteria. So, cause death of the cell, they are divided into generations: first generation, second generation, third generation, and fourth generation. These are the beta-lactam antibiotics inhibit bacterial growth by interfering with bacterial cell wall synthesis. The beta-lactam antibiotics may be further subdivided into two categories, namely penicillins and cephalosporins. Cephalosporin class of beta-lactam antibiotics, they were first isolated from cultures of Cephalosporinum acremonium. This is a peptidoglycan cell wall of the bacteria showing the D-alanine arrange. That is the gram-positive bacteria and peptidoglycan, and gram-negative bacteria, the outer membrane cell wall which contains peptidoglycan. You see the peptidoglycan in the gram-positive bacteria, it is more large than gram-negative bacteria. Mechanism of action: peptidoglycan layer is important for cell wall structural integrity. Final step in the synthesis of peptidoglycan. Transpeptidation is facilitated by transpeptidase penicillin binding proteins. Cephalosporins completely inhibit penicillin binding protein and disrupt synthesis of peptidoglycan. These are bactericidal agents. How cephalosporins are? Cephalosporins are bactericidal and have the same mode of other beta-lactam anti, such as penicillin. Cephalosporins disrupt the synthesis of peptidoglycan layer of bacterial cell walls. The peptidoglycan layer is important for cell wall structural integrity. The final transpeptidation step in synthesis of peptidoglycan is facilitated by transpeptidases known as penicillin binding proteins. Penicillin binding proteins bind to D-alanine at the end of meropeptides, peptidoglycan precursors to cross-link the peptide. Beta-lactam antibiotics mimic this site and completely inhibit penicillin binding protein cross-linking of peptidoglycan. Therapeutic uses: they are used in pharyngitis, tonsillitis, bronchitis, pneumonia, urinary tract infection, skin and bone infection. Cefazolin and ceftriaxone have good penetration into bone. Meningitis, third generation cephalosporins for surgical prophylaxis. Adverse effects: diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, pain, and inflammation at site of injection. Pseudomembranous colitis, allergic reactions, disulfiram-like reaction effects, cefamidone and ceftriaxone, because these block oxidation of alcohol. When these drugs are given with alcohol, they block oxidation of alcohol. Bleeding, cefamidone, ceftriaxone, ceftriaxone B cause the maintain MTT side chain antivitamin K effect. Seroconversion of Derek-Coombe test from negative to positive occurs with these drugs. Pharmaco, except first and some of second generation, all cephalosporins are administered parenterally, well distributed in body fluids, crosses placenta and secreted in breast milk. Therapeutic levels in CSF are achieved only with third generation cephalosporins, 20 to 30% bound to plasma proteins, 80 to 90% excreted unchanged in urine. Elimination occurs through tubular secretion, glomerular filtration. Ceftriaxone and ceftriaxone are excreted through bile and can be administered in renal insufficiency. The resistance of mode of action: alteration of binding site, decreased permeability, production of beta-lactam enzymatic inactivation. This shows efflux pump, what causes excretion of the drug, plasmid mediated, and the drug resistance, and antibiotic degrading enzymes which cause degradation of enzyme so that the drug cannot penetrate the cell. Classification, generations, cephalosporin divided in 5 generations based largely on their spectrum resistance to beta-lactamases. Each newer generation has increased activity against gram-negative rods and decreased activity against gram-positive cocci. First generation, cefadroxil, cefazolin, cephalexin, cephradine. Cephradine is a prototype drug. It is first member of this generation of the first generation. Cephradine, which comes with the name of Velocif, active against gram-positive cocci, strep pneumonia, methicillin resistance, SRS, Streptococcus pyogenes, moderately against active against a few gram-negative bacilli, E. coli, P. marbulis, Klebsiella pneumonia, no activity against enterococci, methicillin, SRS, and beta flagellates. Therapeutic uses, same as I told you previously. Dosage, cefadroxil, oral given 500 milligram to 1 gram BID. Cefadroxil comes with the name of Duricef. Cefazolin, given parenterally 502 gram metabolite. Cephalexin, or given orally 250 milligram, 500 milligram. 6 hourly. Cephradine, which is called Velocef, it is given orally as well as parenterally 250 milligram, 500 milligram. 6 hourly. Second generation, Cefaclor, what comes with the name of Ciclar, cefuroxime sodium, and the cefoxitin. They are effective against Streptococcus pneumonia, Strep pyogenes, Neisseria gonorrhea, E. coli, Klebsiella pneumonia, H. influenza, and Colitis mirabilis. This is the same I have told you in previous slide. Uses upper respiratory tract infection, pneumonia, urinary tract infection, skin infection, bone infection, gonorrhea, surgical prophylaxis, cefuroxime 1.5 gram per hourly, 1 hour prior to operation. Meningitis, cefuroxime, but less effective than third generation. Dosage is same I have told you. Third generation, cefotaxime, which comes with the name of Clefuran, inferior activity to gram-positive cocci, enhanced activity against gram-negative organisms, including Neisseria gonorrhea, enterovatic, E. coli, Klebsiella pneumonia, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Ceftriaxone, which comes with the name of Rucifin. Ceftazidime, which comes with the name of Fortum. Same generations. Uses, third generation uses for gonorrhea, single dose of ceftriaxone first line drug, meningitis, good penetration, CSF, sepsis, typhoid, 4 gram ceftriaxone per day for 2 days, then 2 gram per day for 2 days, surgical prophylaxis for urinary tract infection and intra-abdominal infections. Dosage is same I have told you previously. First generation are the cefepime and cefeprom, more balanced in spectra with greater resistance to beta-lactamase, most actively against anaerobes, not active against methicillin resistance, SRS. Therapeutic upper respiratory tract infection, pneumonia, urinary tract infection, skin infection, intra-abdominal infection, and febrile neutropenia. Dosage 2 gram VD for affair another for 10 days. Fifth generation, ceftaroline fosamil. Ceftaroline fosamil on 29th October 2010, ceftaroline was approved by FDA. It was added as fifth generation cephalosporin. In phase 3 clinical, it's shown non-inferior efficacy, same adverse effects to ceftriaxone. Therapeutic infections caused by methicillin resistance, ARS, community-acquired pneumonia, skin infections. These are the drugs shown, capsules, tablets. These are the forms of drugs. You can see the market about the first generation cephalosporins. Here is the cephalosporin, Velosafe. There is a Cefadroxil, second generation, Durisafe. Cefaxetine, sodium cefaclor, second generation. Cefaclor tablets. Cefuroxime, sodium, that is the Zenasafe injection. This is the Velosafe. Cefradine, first generation cephalosporin. Velosafe capsules you can see. This is the Durisafe, Cefadroxil. It can be used orally. 500 milligram, 250 milligram. Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बात कुछ समझ में आई है?
जी सर.
हाँ, इसको देख लेना, फिर भी देखना, आपको क्वेश्चन वगैरह की जरूरत हो, आप जो है 1 अक्टूबर से आपके क्लास स्टार्ट हैं, जो है जो यहाँ क्लास लेक्चर हॉल में लेंगे, मुझसे क्वेश्चन वगैरह पूछ लेना, आपको जो क्वेश्चन वगैरह दे दूंगा, ठीक है? सलीम, सलीम अभी सुनेंगे, वही डिप्यूटी लेक्चर आएंगे।